All right, for number five, it's also fairly straightforward. You have the same base, right? They're both x's, you have exponents. So that means right away, I know it's going to be a subtraction, okay? All right, so again, do you know your exponent rules? If you do, you're good. And then we see an obstacle right here. That is, we have a subtraction of fractions, and yet they do not have common denominator. So we make a common denominator to become 9. Okay, and then we subtract them. You have x to the negative 1 over 9 power. Okay. Now, and the question says you have to have a positive exponent. So what is what is x to the negative 1/9 power? It is 1 over x to the 1/9 power. Okay. Now, this is where some students would get tempted because, again, they're not really familiar with the rules, or they think they are familiar, but they're not really familiar with the rules. So here's the thing. If you have a to the negative m power, it's just 1 over a to the m power. Yeah, that's how you take care of the negative. And what some students would get confused of is that somehow they would flip the 1/9 to 9 over 1, okay? Because they were thinking about, oh, it's reciprocal, right? They reciprocate everything, okay? So again, the negative exponent simply means the whole thing. It's being reciprocated. It doesn't change the value of the power other than the negative, okay? So if it's 1/9 power, it remains as a 1/9 power. Okay, and this is why in my explanation video, I also said that if you have x to the negative 2 power, ask yourself, what would it be? Okay, and this is why examples are so crucial, because it gives you the confidence to prove yourself what is right and what is wrong. So you'll be like, oh, 1 over x squared. Okay, so that will be it. Okay, that will be it for number 5. It's very simple. You subtract the exponents, make sure that you take care of the negative exponent effectively.